Introducing Victor Reinz Reinzosil. So when you open the package of Reinzosil, we have the tube, we also have the key, and we have a graduated nozzle. We're going to apply a bead of RTV on this oil pan here. The first step is take the cap off. Believe it or not, on the inside of the cap is a nice point that you can punch with the foil on top of the Reinzosil. Next, we're going to take the graduated nozzle. We're going to put that on. Now this oil pan takes about a 2 to 3 millimeter bead. However, depending on your application, that bead size might vary. So we're going to go ahead and snip off that 3 millimeter mark on the nozzle. And then we're also going to apply our applicator key, which makes it easy to apply Reinzosil. Now, we'll go ahead and start here on the corner, and we'll make a nice bead all the way around the hole and start our journey around the gasket. See how easy it is to apply Reinzosil? You can find this product at a retailer near you.